Okay, so today we're doing I'm going to show you all some aquatic plants around me. I don't want to get too close to these plants over here because there's a snapping turtle that likes to hang out in here, and he's pretty quick. But let me get a little bit closer. I'm not sure what plant this is. Kind of looks like a stargine repens or something like that. I'm not really sure, but it doesn't have any flowers on it right now, so who's to say? But I figured we'd start with that. Seeing his hole today. Doesn't look like Mr. Snappy's in there today. Let's go to the water. All right, we're at the water in the shallowy parts. Right here, there's just a bunch of algae. There's some sort of dead flower thing right there. Some grass. Just like regular old grass. This looks like a non-just species, like guppy grass. It kind of looks like grassamilla or something, but that's not native here. But it does bear a resemblance to it. It's real fine leaf, very branchy. It's always here. I've tried growing it inside a few times, but it never does too well. I haven't tried it with CO2 though, so maybe it needs CO2. But it's just hopefully y'all can see that. Just a real slender leaf, non-just species. There's some fish, looks like a flathead minnow. Or who knows, all these damn fish look the same. The ones in this creek anyway. Look at this plant. I'm not sure what it is. It's pretty though. I don't see any flowers on him. So that makes it quite a bit tougher to tell. Looks like we got some ranunculus in here. It's also called bitter cups, kind of stuff like that. If you ever kind of a wet lawn and you mow and it feels like you're being freaking gassed, you're probably running over this stuff. It's not pleasant. That's why there's very few species that we actually keep in aquariums. There's some more of the ranunculus and just some grass. Some of this stuff kind of looks like I'm not sure. Not sure what those tall grass things are. Kind of looks like onion or something. Looks like we have some broadleaf plantains there. Or, a similar species. Could be something else too. All the yellow flowers are ranunculus. It's all ranunculus. Some more of those broadleaf plantains. Some more of that onion looking stuff. There's some white clover right there. More broadleaf plantains. Ooh, this stuff is pretty. Stuff right here. Anyone know what this is? That's a flower to a different plant. Looking for this. So if anyone knows what that is, let me know. I don't want to take any because I saw some people spraying something. I'm not sure what it is, and I don't want to. Anything from the creek I put in my creek paludarium, but there's frogs in there, so I don't want to. And frogs are, they're amphibians, so they're real sensitive to poisons and whatnot. There's some more of those broadleaf plantain looking things all over on that side. There's a whole bunch of them. Ooh. This looks like a ribbon plantain or something. Flowers, looks like I missed them. Oh, there's another one. Oh, is this a flower? No, that's still a clover. Looks like a ribbon plantain or something like that. I don't think these guys can really go fully aquatic, but they like it wet. A nice pond plant or something like that. There's some more of that non-just species. a little frog. Here's more of that kind of oniony looking stuff. Some ranunculus mixed in. Ooh, look at this. It looks kind of like a fern. That leaf. I'm not sure if it's aquatic. I don't really think it is. It's pretty high up on the hill, but it sure is pretty. Does it have some flowers on it? No. Doesn't look like it. There's some Potamogeton of some description. A lot of the Potamogetons look very similar. Looks like we may have a flower there. Doesn't look like it's bloomed quite yet. Oh yeah, those are definitely flowers of that plant. You'll see them. They're not in bloom though. That would kind of tell us what it is. A lot easier. Which specific Potamogeton? I think I'm saying that right. It is. Oh, there's another one of those ribbon plantains. Those are a lot prettier than the broadleaf, in my opinion. Kind of got some crazy flowers to them, huh? One further up here. See the white flowers? I'm not exactly sure on this species, but looks like a ribbon plantain to me. I'm sure I'm missing plants. I really like this one though. Oh, it's getting big. It's huge. Look at the size of them. Oh, is that flower? No, that's a different plant. Flowering. Ooh. That twisty plant over there looks cool. It's got twisted leaves. Definitely looks like something you'd keep in a pond, maybe some sort of Sagittaria, larger ones. Or it could be something completely different. I have no idea. I do like that though. Hopefully you can see the twist in the leaves. Very cool. It's another one of them ribbon plantains. Whole bunch of whatever this stuff is. I don't think that's aquatic. It's pretty high up here. More of those ribbon plantain. Some grass. I wonder if the Wigia, gosh, that floating one that's like everywhere, like Pep Rose or something like that. I'm not sure if that's the name. I forget. I can't remember all these dang plant names. This plant's cool. Just kind of like a floating redwood wigia. It's a pretty woody stem. And here's a bunch of this stuff. What is this? Anyone know what this plant is? If it's aquatic? It's got kind of pinky flowers. Very pretty. There's some more of that Potamogeton. Stuff in there. Anyone need some pond plants? There you go. Oh, it looks like we have some. I don't really want to jump with my phone in my hand. Don't want to lose it. Oh. And here's some of that Wigia I was talking about. That pep. Gosh, I can't think of the name. I think it's like pep rose or yellow in there or something. I'm not really sure. Quite a bit of it here, though. See that thick, kind of almost like woody stem going on. Ooh. It's real thick stem. Looks like we got something in there. It's covered in algae. Can't really tell. Just maybe not be able to see it. Maybe not. Don't know. There's some more of that stuff. I haven't seen it actually in the water, so maybe it's kind of more similar to the plantains. A bunch of this, whatever this stuff is. Looks nice. So, nope, that's just grass flowers. Well, let's go on this side, I guess. Gotta watch for animals. Ooh! This looks like a Lowigia here. I think it might be that one with those square seed pod flower things. Could be something else, though. Maybe I'll look this one up. I'm pretty sure it is, though. That's like, I forget the name of it. But it has like boxy flowers. Guess we could always come back later to find out. I think it flowers around. It flowers like in the midsummer. And for reference, I think this is like late March. No, late May. There's this plant too. Some more of whatever this plant is. It's very pretty. It's like we got some of that Lowigia in here. Same as that stuff. It's a Toyota logo. So we got some on the land portion. Oh, well, there's some of that real pretty stuff closer to the water, so maybe it is. Look at all those broadleaf plantains all along there. Anyone knows what this stuff is? It grows all over my backyard. It's annoying. Ooh, looks like we just missed a turtle. Not sure if the microphone picked up the splash. Ooh, there's a cool little fish right there. For animals. Dang, where'd it go? There's a bigger fish. Still small, but bigger than those flatheads we've seen. There's another one of those ribbon plantains. Let's get out of this tall stuff. Pond plants galore. It's unfortunate we haven't seen any turtles. I heard that one, but I missed it. It's probably in those weeds. It's like a fence post. Looks like a whole bunch of algae on the rocks. Don't think that's a non-just species or anything. It's like just some algae. Ooh. This plant. It's pretty. It's all pretty much concrete from here for like a mile or so. So probably not too much in the way of plants. Let's go back this way. Take this path and then we'll cut across. Well, no, we might see a fish or something. Or a turtle over here. Let's go over here. All this trash. Trashy, trashy. No, I'm not going to pick it up. That's someone else's job. Ooh, there's that big fish. Hopefully you can see it. Kind of looks like a bluegill or something. Some little minnows. Ooh, ooh. There's a really pretty fish. Can you all see? I need to get you some polarized glasses. Yeah, you can't really see. That's unfortunate. Some nice fishies in the water, though. Good size. Maybe that was a fish jumping out and not a turtle going in. Fish jumping out to catch a bug or something. Some tall grasses and plants and whatnot. Ooh, some frogs jumped in. Some little cricket frogs. I assume. I didn't really say them, but they're probably cricket frogs. There's a lot of cricket frogs over here. Some more Potomac eating. Let me get up a little higher. It's like one of the ribbon plantains. Some more of that real nice feathery stuff. I do wonder, why was that wet? Man, I hope that wasn't piss all on my leg. Guess it has been raining though. Maybe some water was cupped in a leaf. That's what I choose to believe. Getting tall. Ooh, these are pretty flowers. Thought I saw something move. There's a frog. See him hopping around. Look at those flowers. Right kind of violet-y color. Let's get a little bit closer to the water here. Jump for snakes. This is kind of wet. Really want to get my shoes all wet. That's drying up. Not a lot in this little section. There's an umbrella. Some more of that Lowigia stuff, I assume. Squares. Square leaves. See all the fish in here. Hopefully. Kind of a cool rocky bottom here. Hopefully y'all can see all those fish. Ooh. Getting into some plants here. Not sure what this stuff is. Kind of white flowers. Usually we see some hair grasses, but I haven't seen any. Maybe it's kind of early in the season for him. I'm not really sure. That stuff's nice looking though. Real dark green. It's kind of white flowers to them. Looks like I'm gonna need to do a little bit of a jump. Hold y'all good. It's the edge here. Yep. Ooh. Made it. There's some fish. Man, I don't think y'all can see these fish like at all. It's really unfortunate. Oh well. Can you? I don't think so. See him whipping across there. Disturbances. One of those ribbony plantains. Some grasses. Oh. Let's go back on the other side where all that ranunculus is, see if there's anything cool. I'm sure there's a lot of stuff I missed anyway. If you see anything cool that I didn't miss, or the species of something, or if I was wrong, or whatever, put it in the comments. Oh, it's steep. Ugh. Cameras never show how steep it is, but trust me, it's steep. Sliding. Go down broadside, kind of do some switchbacks. Alright, made it. Not sure how marshy that is, but it looks like all ranunculus and those damn plantains. and the plantains, they don't grow plantains. They're just called that, and I don't know why. Talk to a botanist if you want to complain about that. Here's the plant, my favorite plant, though. This guy right here. It's huge. Leaves will be quite a bit more feathery, I assume, underwater. It's usually how it works. Oh, is that a flower? Got some flowers on this guy? Kind of looks like we do. I think that's the same plant. It looks like it. Nice little, like, balls of green spikes. Looks like it hasn't bloomed yet. It's kind of pokey. Poke this. Come on. There you go. That's what it looks like anyway. Anyone knows what that is? Let me know. Pretty sure that's from the plant. No, that was from the damn ranunculus. I guess that's what those balls of green spikes turn into, that flower. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's from that damn ranunculus. Fucking things. I hate ranunculus. There's one species that's alright. The rest is junk. Oh. Something's real grippy. Looks like a lot of those ribbon plantains in here. And the broadleaf, of course. And that ranunculus is burning my hand now. Fucking shit. Hate it. I don't know if I want to see anything over here. It's burning on my pinky where I pulled it off. It must have got some of the ranunculus juices on it. Oh, there's a lot of that plant in there. Whatever that tall one is. I like that one. Like I said, I'd pull some, but I saw some guy with a backpack sprayer on, so I just don't want to risk it. Something here. Might be aquatic, I don't know. Whoa. Hey. About to fall. Good God, man. Look at that plant growing out of that rock. It's cool. Tall guy, it's a whole bush. Maybe I don't want that. It's a lot harder to do with the phone. Worried about dropping it. A lot of fish and stuff in that crack. Well, that looks like about it for right now. Maybe I'll go to a different creek area, or maybe I'll go to come back here later in the year, see what's changed. That's always a fun thing to do. All right, well. Ooh. I think this might just be some grass, but some good looking grass nonetheless. There, real dark. But, whoops. Oh, get on the side here. Well, see all of you in the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.